Alright, trade recap of today. So today I took 3 trades. No, I took 2 trades, sorry. Let's open up my Notion. Let's open up TradingView. So I took 2 trades. Of course. Yeah, let's go over the trades. So I was actually really bullish today. And later in the day it was bearish. And now it's really bearish to these lows. But yeah, going into today, we opened here, market open. There was no reason for price to go lower actually. If I remove all this, let's keep that on. Alright, so there was no reason for price to move lower because we were just really bullish. We were above all-time highs, yes, but we were holding this BISI here. Oops, this 8-hour BISI. We were holding this, so I was just looking for longs here. We opened at 9:30 here on this line here, and I marked out all these equal highs here. So that was actually my drawn liquidity until like 2, somewhere around there. Oh wait, I didn't even know we swapped these. Alright, so oh wait, I actually. So we had really weird price action in the morning because we went lower on NQ and then we just chopped around on ES and went even higher, took out these equal highs here. So we did take out the highs there, and from there we traded lower, and I even tried to long inside of there. So where's the setup? I made a screenshot here. So 10.20 around there. Yeah, so I took a loss on this. I think. Yeah. So what we did is we went lower from here. And I don't know where we were in the time here. Yeah, so I was targeting these equal highs up here, which we did sweep, but we were just really off with the indices. So we take out equal lows here, and then we step into this, and then from there we instantly go up from here, closing above this SIBI here. So that was my entry. Second lowest candle was my stop, and then the first TP was or break even would have been this high or the 101. So that's the 101. So I would be break even there, and then TP would be at these highs. So as you can see, we just jump around. So this was at the time of my entry. We just traded all the way lower, got stopped here, really off markets. I don't know, I couldn't really have seen it sooner because we're just moving in tandem here. We're just moving in the same direction here, and exactly when I enter, of course. I don't blame the market, of course, but I got stopped here, and then we did move higher here. We were just really off here, so I got stopped on this. And then I was still looking for longs, but I didn't take any other trade in the AM session. Looked pretty choppy to me. I was off pretty early. As I got stopped here, like around here, I closed the charts and came back in the PM session. So in the PM session 13:15, that's what I wait for. So that's on this. And then same here. So this was when I was on the charts again. So from here, I was actually still looking for longs here. And then this looked like this was the only thing that I was seeing here. Like this here. And I thought, oh, this is really nice. Lowers this liquidity. I think we're going all the way higher. We're at the low of that BISI here. Same on ES. So we're going way higher here. So we open at 13.15 on this candle. I look at this range here. I see that these are really like smooth edges. You could see these, like all these equal lows put in. And then not really the same on ES, but we do have these lows here. So I thought, okay, if we just go here, which is on the 4 minutes, which was the single refugee here. I thought here that, and then we didn't have that on ES, but still, I thought, okay, we're going to sweep these lows here. And from here, we're going to get that reaction. So we got a small reaction here. And I was looking for an inversion, but it was like on the 2 minute, we didn't inverse it. So we're on the 3 minutes. Yeah, so we did go inside of this, but we went lower from here. So I thought, okay, we're going to inverse this, and then we're going to go way higher. Then we went all the way lower than I expected. And I thought that, okay, this is going to be the low, and we're going to all-time highs there again, or at least on ES. because I was just really bullish. And then I actually missed this entry. I really did miss this entry because I was looking at this here. I don't know what I was doing, but I was streaming here. So we took this low here, we took this low here, and then boom, 2 candles here. Really small inversion. Oh, it's actually not there. Where is it? Oh, it's actually here. It's a really small inversion, but still an inversion. It's my strategy there. So if I would enter on the candle closure here, stop second lowest candle, and then target was these really smooth highs, which were launch highs as well. And then ES actually took this high. Where was it? Wait, I'm tripping. Oh no, I would come break even at a 1-to-1, which was right here. Oh yeah, and this would be my first CP, which would be the 2.474 RR. But we did on ES close or take this liquidity at 1347. So 1347, that would have been here. So that would be like a 1-1 really around there. But I would have taken 75% off, or not 75% off here. I would wait here. I put my stop and break even there, and then I just let it run to a 1-to-2, which would have been hit as well. So 1-to-2, I take 75% off, and then this would be like a partial as well. And I was thinking, okay, I'm catching the bottom here, so I would honestly take like a contract off there, and then let one running to these highs probably. But yeah, this would have been a 1-to-4, not really a full, but 1-to-4, 8 our trade. Would have been a really good trade. Like, it is my setup there, but totally missed it. I was at like this candle already, thinking to myself, wow, I missed the setup here. At a 1-to-1 here, I had this marked out. We had like 2 minutes that we didn't hit that 1-to-1 RR, so I was with a limit order here, trying to, or hoping for it to come back here so I could still get that entry and then break even at a 1-to-1 RR. But yeah, we never went back there. So yeah, never wasn't in this trade. It would have been a really good trade. So I already took a loss in the morning, which was 350 loss, and then my setup forms, and then I didn't take it. So I think I'm in the back testing. I will also, sometimes I go back for the data, like if it works or not, but I know the strategy works or not. So I will just back test now, and if I miss the strategy, then I will still note the strategy or still note the setup and put it in my Notion. But so I'll just do that, so I will learn that if I miss the setup, then I need to be more careful and really look for my setup. So I had to be more, cautious. So yeah, didn't take that trade there, unfortunately. And then from here, once we take this high, I was looking at this here, and that's why I flipped to bearish, and now I'm really bearish. It's because where was it, on the 5-minute here, I was thinking to myself, okay, I caught the bottom here, and if I did cut the bottom here, then I wouldn't even want to see. We also need an SMC here, by the way. I know that now. Yeah. So we had discount here, which are marked out, and if we were just really bullish, and if I got the bottom, which I thought I did, then I didn't even want to see price come back into a discount. I want to see it stay in premium, and I want to see it go really bullish, going for these highs in a hurry. But we didn't, and then even close below this 5-minute inversion, which was a singular FEG. And then what I did is I entered with a market execution on this low here, stop second highest candle, and I was targeting on 1-to-2 RR as first TP as well. So this was the final trade I took. So I took, what's it now? One trade, yeah, this 2 trades, and then missed this one. So I took this one, and that was a 1-to-2 targeting, but yeah, I was in profit for a bit. I was up 400, so made back the setup that I lost, but it's not my my setup is, and my strategy is, I just take a 1-to-2 partial at least, and we didn't get that. So unfortunate, I got stop to break even there. On this here, I see we trade now back into the inversion and we get a reaction lower, but I don't really care what we do here because this is just the weekly closure here. Yeah, that's what I did today. So 2 trades taken, 1 loss, 1 break even, and 1 trade like honestly missed. but it's all right. I know that the strategy works, and I have to just be more focused on the charts. It's just like I have to what was it, like 2 minutes or 1 minute? I really have to look at every candle because it can go like really quick. Like we sweep this low here, and my eyes should have straight went to, okay, you took this low, all right, bullish candle. Wait, there's an inversion there. I should be at least on this candle here at this sweep, so I have like 1 minute here. We take this low, 1 minute for this candle to form because it could close, even have closed above on this candle. So I only have like 1 minute, and if I'm off with like 1 minute 60 seconds, then I will just miss the setup, and I did now. So yeah, really unfortunate, but yeah, this challenge account now. Let's go to TopStepX. So yeah, minus 338. If I show my, where is it? My no, chart executions. Then yeah, went long with 8 contracts, got stopped with 8 contracts. Went short with 4 contracts, got stopped at break even at 4 contracts at 20, 41, 0.75. Yeah, it's around break even. I don't really care about a few dollars. Yeah, now the account is down, was it 0.75%, which is alright with my strategy. I can take 5 losing trades in a row, and I still have some minor, some bit of drawdown, like 0.5% of drawdown left. But yeah, it should only take, what is it? It should only take 5 trades to win, actually, and that's just with a 1 or 2 RR. So, and most of the time I get more than 1 or 2 RR. So it should be quicker than that, and I just stick to my strategy. Like my bias is with because of my experience, but it's just following the strategy, and yeah. But yeah, because we closed below here, and then really, yeah, we closed below here, and didn't went higher from there. I'm honestly expecting for it to, yeah, we're probably gonna close below here, only 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we're gonna close below this BISI here on the 8 hour, and then the first target will become the swing low, at least with like a really high percentage. So this would be 100%, or not 100% of course, but this will be, oh, we already took that. Okay, so I already took that, but it's going to be even higher probability as well with all the things that I just said, which is all-time high sweep actually on ES, and then sweeping this high as well. So we take the high that took this high, which is above the 4-hour liquidity here. So we take that high here, and then this got taken, or this high got taken with this here. So that would be a turtle soup. If you close below this as well, then this would just be seen as all lower resistance liquidity, as a trendline liquidity, and yeah, that's why I'm expecting this sell side liquidity. I don't know if you have any imbalances here. I didn't really check, but that's my bias probably for next week. But yeah, that was my trading for today, and yeah, hopefully next week will be a better week.